Good morning! This is our backyard. Oh! Nag-ano na talaga siya, no? Yes, ma'am. Careful, guys. Yeah. Okay, let's play.
Yeah, we are going to play, ate. Ate, yeah, it's fine. Ate, gawa tayo ola. Yeah, I did already. Last night. Okay. Okay. Si Kuya pala sana yung pinabindi natin. Nag-live ka din, be? Will! Catch! Like this, right?
Hi! Mabuhay!
Ate, baka tulog ko sila.
Lalim! Nalulungog yung boots ko. Lalim.
Yung pants ko. Ano, ate, ito yung pants kong pampasok. Oh my gosh.
Penguin! Ano, bata lang.
Ate, this ka.
Lalim nga! Oh! Oh!
I need to change my pants. Because this is for my work. Ate, I did already for men. All that is there outside in the front of our house. Huh?
Lalim, ma'am, no?
I was planning to buy this lipstick, the one we saw in Sephora. Mars, Mars. Both of my apples do. lamig.
Halo-halo tayo.
Ganda. Grabe na ice.
Kapal mo, oh.
Sabit na din. Against snow na talaga. Against snow na.
Halo-halo. Pang-halo-halo talaga siya, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Grabe siya, oh. Pino.
You're comfortable sa paa mo yung ano, te? Shoes, no?
Tama.
No?
Light. Dito ka.
One. My mother. Ano pala yun? Makarino. O, diba? Oh, mga kabayan! Sa Philippines. Tara, mag-Canada na kayo. Reflex ko lang yung boots ko. Reflex ko lang yung boots ko. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Woo! Pwede pala mag-jogging. Pag nakita tayo na nakabayan dito sa mga. Ano yung ipaglaro? Siya naman yung umalis. Camille! Ayun, meron bang ano no? Snow pa.
Yeah. Nag-i-snow pa siya. Pero ano lang. Light. Asan na si Camille? Lalim. Hello there. Oh. Lalim. Ayan po. Lubog na po kami sa yelo. Sarap. Saan si Camille? Doon naman tayo, ma'am, sa harap. Ay, dito pala yung ano, no? Nakabukas ba yung harap? Nakabukas yung harap? Wow. Grabe. po yung front namin. Wala na yung daan. Walang susi, ma'am. Ala, nalagyan na yung...
Labas tayo dito. Dito tayo dumaan.
Oh. Hello. Good morning. It was very cold. It is very cold. Ito na yung highway. This is our home. Full of ice. Gatambak eh. Let's go. Cold. Sa likod tayo, ma'am, dadaan? Ay, wala tayong susi. Wala, nandun siya, ma'am. Let's go behind. Allah. Enjoy the snow, kabayan.
Paano kaya ito malulusaw?
Ha?
Paano kaya ito malulusaw? Malulusaw lang.
Matagal siguro po.
So, kailangan talaga natin siyang anuhin, palahin or hindi? Hindi na siguro.
No need, ma'am. Ay, ito na lang sa ano, daanan. Oh.
Paano ito? Hanggang dito. Magiging hanggang dito.
Mm.
Ay!
Yan.
Buksan mo. Tapos na kami. Babalik na kami.
Ah,
Ah, sige. Dito.
kabayan. Lalalim.
Lalim.
Ay, Isan. Hello po. Ate Jane.
Ayun na nga. Ano, grabe. Oh, ang lalim.
Yeah, it's deep. It's like how a 15 centimeter or 25.
Ocean dip.
Ocean deep. Say hi to Ate Namge, ate.
Ate nang?
Ate Namge. She's from Bhutan.
Ate Namge?
Namge, yeah. She's
Ah.
from Bhutan.
Ate Namge. Bhutan. Ah. Where is it?
Sa, parang...
Asia din. Diba?
Opo.
How are you? Good. That's why you're talking English.
Yes. I'm good, thank you. Very cold.
Grabe, lamig. Ay, ikaw din. Nag-live ka. Magpag-live nga din, din. Ay, video pala.
Ano, alin mo?
Uy, my bus is 12:10.
Anong oras na ba, be?
Yes po, but I have to take the 12:10 bus.
Anong oras na?
Check your schedule. Cancel.
No, it's not. Until 8 I will leave. Batuhan tayo din. Ate Touch, dali! Ate Touch!
Isip ko lang, gloves.
nakakapagod maglaro.
Big ball. You know big ball?
Yes, I will.
You can make the snow.
May Kuya Jeff doon, ano lang, relax lang. Hindi mo yung kamay ko. Ang red na.
It's racing.
Ate Namge, am I doing...
Oh.
Ha?
Hmm?
Is it correct?
No, you need to roll
Roll?
like this. Yeah.
I cannot.
No, Hey, come here. I will show you.
Ha?
First, you make a small one.
Small one?
roll. After that, you start rolling.
Like this?
Yeah. Then after that, you roll like this
Roll?
on top of.
No, it's not.
No. You will go there.
Like this.
You will make first roll and then you go.
Menda. Catch. Dami. Catch.
Hi.
Hi.
Kamusta?
Buti, kumusta? Oh, you know how to speak Tagalog?
Yeah,
Ah,
yeah, she knows. She can understand Tagalog.
No, babe, don't carry up. You will roll and go in the snow.
Yeah, but it's
Then
not
it will
going
become
ba?
big. No, it will go. You just try.
Try.
Yeah.
Ate, i-roll lang daw mo. Si Ere, magaling gumawa ng, ano eh, snowman. Ay, naku, kaliwa
Oh,
ni
roll.
ate. Same.
No need to collect from other side. Just roll in the one way.
It's okay. It will become...
Ikaw, Camille, mag-snow jacket ka.
Oo, mamaya te.
Boots ka na.
My God.
Kasi baka,
Naka-ready na.
what is it?
It's not cold ba?
11:20.
Let's finish the snowman.
Yeah, make a snowman.
Yung kape ko doon. Buti na doon ako nag-gimpla sa Starbucks.
Snowman.
mga bata siguro to. Pag-hi ka, ma'am. Pag tumingin.
Ate Namge.
Para kaibiganin na natin
Oh.
para pag bumili tayo ng sasakyan.
Then another circle again, right?
Ano yung ginagawa mo, Castle?
Snowman.
Ba't ang laki? You have already, right? Yeah.
But I want more. Big
But
ba?
it looks like Castle. Remember, this is snow. It's not, bye-bye.
Ate, it doesn't look like snowman. You know how it looks like?
I don't know. It's look
Yeah,
like para hindi siya lumabit eh. I'll be back, guys, okay? Mga 20 more minutes. Ayun, dito naman ako. Dito ha, mag-ingat kayo dito ha. Hey!
I wanna build a snowman.
Para siyang
Wanna build this snowman.
Ang nagbabad ko naman. Ano siya kasi magbabad.
Alin?
Itong ano natin, parang
Malinis.
uy, mag-ingat kayo dito ha. Ayan.
Buhay! maging bangko eh.
This is my snow home. Wait, I will show you. This is the one we did last night. Diba ito ate naging hard ba? Hala, it looks messy na. I want to jump ba? I want to jump.
This is the first time you're experiencing snow or no?
No, it's my first time to see this much.
Really?
Yes. Because in US it's just only few.
Hi everyone, this is Olaf.
Let's end this live na ate. I want to go. Bye ate.
This is our place.
Basta. Mag-ayos na ako.
Paano ka pala? TikTok?
Oo.
Influencer pala tong housemate natin. Pag-ingat ka dito, pag dumaan ka naman. Gamitin mo lang na yung slipper.
Oh, madulas mo ha.
Oh, madulas.
Ha, nag-ano yung ano mo.
Ay, oo.
Your face.
Nilagay ko muna yung... Di na muna yung doormat ko, ba? Hindi ko naman ginagamit. Pumunta na sa, ano ba, sa tubig. Oh, grabe, ganda.
Tignan mo yung mountains.
Mag-aayos na daw si Cam. Pero pumalas, be.
Kapal.
Kumain ka na, be? Kumain ka na.
Kanina ma'am, saging. Maraming paligid. Yung pinala namin kahapon, ma'am, meron na naman. IC na naman siya.
Mamaya, be, pag mag-snow ulit, gusto ko mag-video dito. Yung nag-snow talaga, yung nag-snow.
Parang kahapon,
Oo, yung parang ganun. Pero hindi naka-snow outfit.
hello, Ilocos Norte. Kapal. Thank you guys for watching.